These are the grow bags that I had over in the black and white garden. As you can see, I'm over here in the green garden today because this is where the shade is. Over in the black and white garden, it is too hot to be over there. So I decided to relocate my fall cleanup part 2 over here and start working on my grow bags. So what I'm doing is I'm cleaning out my grow bags. I've got all the dirt and poured out of them into my new black 17-gallon plastic containers over in the black and white. And what I'm doing now is I'm filling up my wheelbarrow with some water, and I'm going to put some disinfectant stuff in here to kill all what was growing in those grow bags, and I'm going to wash them out really well in this wheelbarrow. I love this wheelbarrow. I got this, my husband got me this wheelbarrow at Home Depot. I think it was for my birthday. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you. I'm just going to take these grow bags, stick them in this wheelbarrow, and as you can see, the inside are pretty clean already because I sprayed them out. So I'm just going to concentrate on the bottom and the inside, because as you can see, your grow bag gets a lot of that algae and stuff on them. So I'm going to put these in here, let them soak really well, and then I'm going to get my little brush that I have, and I'm going to scrub the outside of these grow bags and spray them down with some neem oil, and then I'll be ready for planting of my fall crops, which I haven't decided. I think I'll put some of my cabbage maybe in here, maybe some of my brassicas in here, like my broccoli, cauliflower. But this is just another step of me cleaning my grow bags and get them ready to grow some needed food for my family. So just another thing to give you guys a heads up. If you have your grow bags and you need to get them clean, this is one way that I go about cleaning my grow bags. So you see, I have a whole lot of grow bags here that I have to clean, from big to even to the small. They're all going to take their turn in this water that I have in my wheelbarrow. So just a reminder, if you guys need to get your grow bags clean and spiffied up. Now, you're not going to get them completely clean, but you'll get them clean enough to put some fresh soil in them and start growing your fall crops in them. Because I want to start my fall season on a nice clean bag, clean area, and with some nice healthy plants. Alright guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are, give your girl a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love you to become a member of Renee's Garden. With that being said, have a wonderful day, have a blessed day. And Miss Renee, as you can see, child, I got a lot of grow bags to get to cleaning. So let me get all this done, and I'm sure you guys are busy trying to get your gardens cleaned up and ready for fall as well. So as we always end the video, let me show you something beautiful in the garden. And this is that beautiful lantana confetti plant that I put in here in one of my containers that got broke when we were up there cutting down all those trees. But look how beautiful this fall color of this, I call it that confetti plant, because it looks like beautiful red and yellow confetti. Let me get up close so you guys can get a better look. Isn't that just gorgeous? Beautiful. I get this plant every single year. I tried to grow it from seed, but that didn't work. So this is like a little treat to myself. Alright, so I'll end the video here with you guys looking at such a beautiful lantana plant. Alright guys, take care.